Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money with the Notion templates. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your workspace on Notion, and basically from Notion here, you will need to start creating templates. To create templates, you will need just to start creating normal pages as using normally Notion. And after you finish creating your templates, you will need just to submit them, or when you finish your pages, you will need to submit them as a template. And to do so, all you need to do is to share your pages. So, for example, I'm going to have, for example, here in this private, I'm going to add this page. This page will be named templates, and it will have some content here that will be the content or the tools for my templates. And from here, I will need just to click on share. You will need just to go to the publish. You click on publish, and basically this link is going to be the link for these templates. And from here, you will need to disable editing and disable commenting, and you will need to allow duplicates as templates. And basically by that, you will be able to give others to duplicate your templates if they can use it independently. So the next step is to promote your templates or to sell it in some kind of marketplaces. So basically you have some marketplaces. The first one will be Gumroad, and from here you can start selling your Notion templates. As you can see, there are many people who are selling Notion templates from here, or you can sell it here from in Etsy. You will need just to put some listings here, and as you can see, they are selling good, like some good notes, etc. As you can see, all in one Notion templates, and there are many people selling Notion templates from here. Or you can simply sell your Notion templates in Notion itself. So basically, you need just to go to the products here on the Notion websites, products, and go to the templates gallery, and then it will take you here. And basically, to submit your templates, you will need just to become a creator. You click on submit templates, and from here you will need just to create your profile, and you will start submitting templates, and you will be able to start earning money. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.